Yeah, and
watch part of it.
thank you, Ezekiel Elliott, for giving me 5.5 points.
Okay.
Really helped.
Got the phone, the mask. Look, they gave me a really nice sticker yesterday.
Ready?
Let's go.
What was that?
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Hopefully I edit this. I actually vlogged a few weeks ago when we went to the Red Sox game, probably like a month ago now. So I might put that footage in here instead of making it its own vlog because I just never did anything with it, and I don't know that there's that much because I also did an Instagram like vlog day in the life reel thingamabob. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. That was the weirdest way I could have ever said that. Welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday. It's like 8 o'clock, 8:17. We're getting gas and then we're gonna go to Roman Joe's and then we're gonna go to Boston. We're going to Red Sox game today. The game's at 1, but we thought we would go down early and get some brunch. This is part of Dylan's birthday present because his birthday's tomorrow. With his little Red Sox jersey on. I just have on my little top and shorts because I'm not.
When I lifted, this jersey fit.
Really?
Oh, don't.
It fit? There was a time where that fit?
Yeah.
Oh wow. You're swimming in it.
I'm a little swimming.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? You want your regular?
Yeah, but can I get a bigger one? No, actually, that's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Can I get a...
Meet you down there.
Thank you so much.
Just drop them. Oh my god.
They need to fill that pothole in.
We made it to the parking garage and there was just a girl crying on FaceTime to her friend because she hit someone's car and drove away. When she was asking her friend.
How big this elevator is.
Heck it, where are we? I'm so scared. Then she was asking her friend if she was irresponsible.
I don't know, right?
Like crying to her. One, yeah. We don't know how to get out of here. But we're early. Well.
Shows like a Dexter scene.
Early to pee.
Let's do it.
Oh, we're in Northeastern. There's so many beeps. Alarmed, emergency exit only. Oh, this one's exit though. I hope. Okay.
You wanna walk?
Yeah.
Before I run you over?
Where are we? I'm strong. What'd you got?
I forgot actually.
Tipsy tea.
Tipsy tea.
Is he gonna be tipsy?
Moonshine. Not your mom. Not your mama's sweet tea.
Gosh.
Lemonade, sweet tea.
I think there was vodka or something in there. No? Just moonshine?
It's simple syrup.
Oh. Oh, raspberry something. Got our breakfast. What? Oh, gotta go this way. We gotta go up? Okay.
Then you go down.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Grand Slam 26.
Oh, perfect.
Row 12.
Yeah.
No, check the phone.
Yeah.
Row 12, seat 24.
24 and 23. Made it. But I thought I would vlog today because I haven't vlogged like all summer and now it's fall. It is September, I don't even think my watch tells me what day it is. No, it doesn't. Where's the calendar? It's Sunday, September 12th, and I was watching some of my old vlogs the other day looking for something and I was like, wow, I really vlogged like every weekend last year. What did we do yesterday? Oh, yesterday we got up and went grocery shopping, and then I went and got a smoothie and walked the beach with Julia. This morning, Dylan and I got up and we had bagels, which I haven't had a bagel in so long. It was just like very Sunday-y. I had my coffee. I had a pumpkin spice dairy-free creamer and it's pretty good. It's like the Silk brand. I can show you guys later, but it's really good. I brought this to have on the way to park because we're gonna go for a walk. Then we have to go to Target. Thanks, babe. And then the Steelers are on at 1. Patriots are on at 4:25. We're going to Mom's for dinner, but we're making dinner. Well, I guess both of us are kind of making dinner. Yeah, so we thought I'd bring you along.
Said something crawling on my foot.
What?
It's like a fly or something.
We're matching.
And the sweatshirt that Mariah hates. You know why she hates it?
Because of the hood. It's just so tight, babe. Like, it's not a sweatshirt. It's like one of those shirts with a hood.
It's a workout, like, long sleeve with a hood.
How long have you had it? Since high school?
No.
Cute.
Thanks.
Out on our walk in the air show. The Thunderbirds are in town this weekend. So
Blue Angels?
I thought it was the Thunderbirds.
Pretty sure it's the Blue Angels, babe.
Oh no. I thought it was Thunderbirds.
Pretty sure it's the Blue Angels.
Okay, well whatever. The air show's in town. And you can hear them practicing, but Dylan said he couldn't see them. But maybe we'll see them later. Just made it to Target and everyone is parked in the Target parking lot to watch the air show. Which I didn't even think of. It's like gonna fly right over here because Keys is right over there. But wait, just sit and watch for a minute after we get out.
Truth.
It's pretty cool. And it is the Thunderbirds.
I thought we weren't bringing that up.
I was right.
Sorry, Blue Angels were first.
They were created first, yes. In 1946. After World War II, and the Thunderbirds came 7 years later.
Booyah.
Facts. History.
Nothing. Just get naked and tag it.
Oh, that's cute. Right?
Yeah. I agree. That's why I said it's cute.
Okay. 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 2 things we didn't check. I have a question for the class. Not a class and for you guys. Do black socks freak you out? They freak me out. Not on guys, like Dylan can wear black socks and it doesn't freak me out. But for some reason, black socks freak me out. No one else? I don't think anyone else has this issue, but I don't know why. I can't do black socks. They creep me out. Am I wearing black socks right now? No. Gray. But I need to get more socks because I have none. I also have a sweater and other leggings. Not anything I need, but I found 2 Target gift cards in my wallet, so an excuse. Okay. I need trash bags, Ziploc bags, sponges, all the things.
All in the corner.
Mm-hmm. Oh, a new game.
Huh?
A game. A skateboard. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's all blurry. We just got out of Target and A, forgot to use my gift cards. B, we didn't hear anything, so we thought the air show wasn't going on. We just saw like a cool like red smoke thing they were doing, but you can't see it anymore. We have to run to TJ Maxx or Marshall's or whatever and then go home and grill some chicken, make some salsa and guac and shower, do all the things, and then go to mom's later. That's the plane landed. Look at all the people. See it? Oh, there it is. And down. Don't put the dishes away, but I'm gonna make salsa. My blender, a can of diced tomatoes, 1 tomato, 1 lime, 1 jalapeno. I need garlic. I think I do like 3 cloves of garlic, some red tomato. This is a red onion. Salt, pepper, I forget what else. I saw a TikTok last night that said you're supposed to open a can this way. It's not meant to go on the side, you're supposed to go on the top. But I don't know how that would work.
Let's see how this goes.
Oh. Babe, I might be proving you.
About time you learned that over.
That's so much easier than the other way. And you don't have to dig your fingers in. Oh gosh. This recipe is so easy. I got it from Rachel Ratke. And it's so fresh, so good, but because we're going over at like 4:30, I want to do it now because it needs to sit in the fridge. Ideally, I should have done it last night, but I forgot. Is you do not blend, you pulse. Learned the hard way. Whoops. I'm gonna put it in a container, put it in the fridge. And this will literally last all week if you just like do it at the beginning of the week. We're doing it obviously for nachos tonight, but it makes a lot. If you have a bigger blender, you can obviously double it, triple it. Yeah, great, love that. Okay, I'm gonna clean up, make a smoothie, go take a shower, and then I need to make guac. Also, the Steelers are on right now, so. When you're going to mom's, but you're cooking, you have to bring all the things. Chips, sour cream, cheese, guac, salsa. We have tomato, chicken, corn, black beans. I think there's claws down there. We have it all for nachos, and then mom's making Crunchwrap Supremes. You're
Put this
tan.
on. I am. Every weekend I try to work on it.
Real tan or fake tan?
It's not fake.
Look at Dad. Nachos just went in.
Where is he?
It's right there.
Nothing rolling on or anything, is it?
Did you hear me?
What?
The nachos just went in.
Okay.
8 minutes till they're done. Hi, Tim. How are you?
Doing excellent.
Excellent.